Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the default settings on your PlayStation 5 in the safe mode menus. So if something is really wrong and we want to go and try to fix it, we want to launch our PlayStation into the safe mode menu. So let's go ahead and just hold down the power button on the PlayStation 5 and this will turn it off. So we're going to hold this down right now. We're going to hear a beep and then about 2 seconds later we'll hear another beep. So wait for this light to stop blinking and then also plug in your controller with a USB cable just like this. So if we have the controller plugged in, we can operate the safe mode menu now. So wait for this light to stop blinking and then we can hold down the power button once again. So let's hold this down now since it stopped blinking. We're going to hear one beep and then we're going to hear another beep. So we're going to hear that second beep. And now we're going to be in the safe mode menu. So let's go back up to the top. And it'll say, please connect your controller with a USB cable. So my controller is connected. And I'm going to press the PlayStation button. Go on down to where it says option number 5, restore default settings. So if you have some sort of issue with your settings, this will restore everything. And then you're going to have to sign back in with your email address and password. So look at that as an option. You can also reset your PlayStation 5, factory reset it, clear the cache and rebuild database, update, restore console storage right there, or change video output. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.